50% of Muslims say that music's haram, and the other 50% say it's fine to listen to it. I
Mhm.
want to know the reality to the actual concept.
As far as music is concerned, I mean, we've answered this question a number of times, also and discussed. You'll find that there's not a single instance in the Quran in which music has been forbidden. In fact, if you look at the Quran, you'll find the Prophet David singing hymns for God on his harp, and that is something that has been praised by the Quran. There are certain hadiths which actually seemingly uh, prohibit the prohibit music. But if you look at their context, you'll see that basically music and songs that are vulgar, that create bad emotions or base emotions in you, that have been proscribed. Otherwise, music which is healthy, maybe which does not create any vulgarity or lewdness in your hearts or minds, that is perfectly fine. So we find two girls, I mean mature girls, singing on Eid in the presence of the Prophet. They were singing, and when Abu Bakr came, so he just came to visit his daughter who was Aisha, and Aisha and Prophet Muhammad were in one place. So once Abu Bakr came in and he saw that these women or girls, they were singing songs in the presence of the Prophet, and the Prophet was just lying there. Uh, and when he stopped those girls, the Prophet actually stopped Abu Bakr and said, "Don't stop them from singing. If they would like to sing, let them sing. It is the day of Eid, so let them be happy." So you'll find that basically music which is immoral, which is vulgar. I mean, there are songs which are vulgar. I mean, music is never vulgar. Basically, the songs or the lyrics are at times vulgar, and that vulgarity is something which the Quran would not like us to imbibe. So therefore, what you can safely say is that songs and music which are clean, healthy, and they have no vulgarity in them, they can be heard and listened to and even sung. But songs which are immoral or have lewd content or their lyrics are like have sexually implicit or explicit content, so that should be avoided.